Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can update cart total in WooCommerce when a subscription is applied to a product. So let's get started. First, log in to your WordPress dashboard. From the left menu, go to Plugins and then click on Add New. A new page will appear. From here, navigate to the search bar in the top right and type WooCommerce Subscriptions. Install and activate the WooCommerce Subscriptions plugin. This plugin allows you to sell products with recurring billing like monthly or yearly plans. Next, go to Products, add new or edit an existing product. Scroll down to the Product Data section, and from the drop-down change the product type to Simple Subscription or Variable Subscription. Here you can set the subscription price, billing interval, and subscription length. For example, $20 every month or $100 every year. Once done, click Publish or Update. Now open your store and add the subscription product to the cart. WooCommerce will automatically update the cart total to show the subscription amount along with any setup fee or discounts you configured. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.